5 plus 2 times 9 minus 3 equal to 42. Put parentheses to make it true because the statement is not correct. 5 plus 2 times 9. If we solve it according to PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So first we will do multiplication. It will be 5 plus 9 times 2 is 18 minus 3. Now 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 minus 3 is 20. So this is not equal to 42. We have to put this parenthesis sign to make it equal to 42. Now why parenthesis? Because as per PEMDAS, we first solve parenthesis. So putting parenthesis will change the order of operation. There is no exponent, so after parenthesis we will do multiplication, then division, addition, subtraction. But always remember that this multiplication, division and addition, subtraction, they are grouped together. We solve them from left to right. That means if you get question like this, 4 divided 2 times 2, how will you solve it? As per PEMDAS, if you do multiplication first, it will be 4 divided 4. That means 1 will be your answer. But this is not the correct answer. Why? Because we have to solve it from left to right. So 4 divided by 2 will be done first. 4 divided by 2 will be 2, then times 2 equal to 4. 4 is the correct answer. Now let's put parentheses and see whether we are able to make the statement correct or not. Now let's put the parenthesis first here. That means we have to do this operation first. 5 plus 2, 7. Then we remove the parenthesis, then times 9 minus 3. Again, before subtraction we do multiplication. 7 times 9 is 63 minus 3, not equal to 42. So this is not correct. Let's try putting the parenthesis here. So it will be 5 plus 2 times 9 is 18. Remove the parenthesis, then minus 3. 18 plus 5 is 23 minus 3 equal to 20, not equal to 42. So this is also not true. If we put parenthesis here, then 5 plus 2 times 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 plus 12 equal to 17, not equal to 42. So if we are putting one parenthesis, we are not getting our correct answer. What if we use two parentheses? The parentheses also, there are of three kinds. This is smaller bracket, this is curly bracket, and this one is the box bracket. We first solve smaller bracket, then the curly, and then the box bracket at last. So if we use two brackets, let's start from here. If we put one parenthesis here, then for putting one parenthesis, this only one operation is left, so we can put parenthesis here. Now both the operations are within parenthesis, so we can solve them simultaneously. So 5 plus 2 is 7, then remove the parenthesis, then times 9 minus 3 is 6, and 7 times 6 is 42. So the correct answer will be these two operations will be inside parenthesis and the statement will become true. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks.